Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we will continue lesson number 3, Useful Domestic Animals. It's part 3. In this lesson we are learning that how domestic animals are useful to us and what are the things we get from them. Before going ahead, let's have the recap of what we have learnt in last period. We have learnt that domestic animals are useful in many ways, like we get eggs from duck, hen. We get meat from goat, sheep. We have also learnt that we get wool from sheep. We get silk from silkworm. And we get leather from the skin of cow, camel. Some animals make our work easier, like donkey. Donkey is used to carry loads from one place to another. Here is one more example, bullocks. Bulls are tied from the cart and they are also used to carry people or loads from one place to another. Horses, elephants and camels and many other animals are used to carry loads and people from one place to another. So they are known as beast of burden. I'll repeat, they are called beast of burden. Here is one amazing fact for you all. Camels have 3 sets of eyelids and 2 rows of eyelashes to keep sand out of their eyes. I'll repeat, camels have 3 sets of eyelids and 2 rows of eyelashes to keep sand out of their eyes. Try to observe this picture carefully. Yes, it's a bee. And here is honey. Do you know from where we get honey? We get honey from bee. Bees used to collect sweet juice from the flowers and they make honey in their hives. And from there we get honey. So bee gives us honey. Bees also produce wax. We get wax from their beehives. And this wax is used to make different items like candles, crayons and different cosmetic items like moisturizer, lip balm can also made from this bee wax. Isn't it amazing? Do you know, children? The honeybee is the only insect that produces food eaten by man. I'll repeat, the honeybee is the only insect that produces food eaten by man. Some animals look after our homes, like dog. Dog guards our home from thieves and strangers. And cat. Cat keeps the mice away. So, some pets look after our homes. Here is a fact file for you all. A bee takes sweet juice from a flower to its hive. And it makes honey there from the juice. Try to observe these pictures. In first picture, you can see cows. In second picture, there is a goat. And in third picture, you can see camels. And in fourth picture, there is a horse. The dung of all these animals is used as manure and fuel. So, animal waste is also useful to us. Now let's have the recap of what we have learned today. Some animals are known as beasts of burden, like donkey, elephant, bullocks. Some animals look after our homes, like dog, cat. We get honey from bees. We also get wax from beehive. Thank you, children. I hope you understood well that how domestic animals are useful to us. We'll meet soon in the next period. Till then, bye-bye.